Hello friends, welcome to the second episode of Willowtail Diaries, the mystical Nagthar. I'm your host Shomen today and let's explore this unexplored destination in Uttarakhand. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Willowtail Diaries where we presented a glimpse of Mahasudevta temple and Mahasasa waterfalls located in beautiful Nagthar. And if not yet done, please do like and subscribe our channel. Friends, we are at Willowtail Homestay at Nagthar, which has complete beautiful wooden interior. It has 5 suites with beautiful view of hills and clouds. The homestay also has one family suite with 2 bedroom and a private sitting area. The mobile network is wonderful here, so this place is ideal for work from home where you can bring in your family and friends and enjoy the natural beauty over a cup of coffee and work at the same point of time. Weather is pleasant in summers and in winters you may even enjoy a snowfall. So friends, let me show you some pics of snow-clad Nagthar from the winters. The surrounding is superb and it gives a perfect holiday feeling. Friends, after a sound sleep, we are now rejuvenated and ready to explore new experiences in Nagthar. Today our destination is Garhwira Top. There are numerous caves over here. The local people think that these are from the days of Mahabharata. Few of these caves are still considered safe to venture into. The local guide is taking us into one of them. Friends, let's experience one of these amazing trek.
Now here we are at Garvirat top at Nagthat. Fantastic trek, around 600-700 meters. थोड़ा सा हमारे लिए, I mean for people from cities, उनके लिए it's a थोड़ा सा hard trek है, but although for the locals it's a moderate.
Friends, we were told that Pandavas were here during their exile period.
हाँ, ये वो खाई हैं जब राजा विराट जब यहाँ रहते थे तो उस समय दुश्मन का कोई दूसरा रास्ता नहीं, एक ही रास्ता था। ये खाई चारों तरफ खोदी हुई है ताकि दुश्मन जो है अंदर ना आ सके। तो मान के चलो कि कम से कम तो 10 मीटर गहरी है, तो उस समय कितनी होगी है मतलब कोई आंकलन नहीं है इसका।
ये है जुलका डंडा। ये भी एक बहुत बढ़िया ट्रैक है डाउन फ्रॉम नागथाट, फुल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक। यू कैन सी दिस फार्म, जो खेती हो रही है ऊपर, फार्म लैंड्स, दिस एग्रीकल्चर लैंड दैट इज हैपनिंग, ग्रीन जोन, वहाँ पे जो है ऑर्गेनिक खेती हो रही है। और यहाँ पे राजमा की खेती होती है, आलू की होती है, लॉट ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स दैट पीपल ग्रो हेयर। सो जुलका डांडा कुड बी ए वेरी अनदर कैंपिंग स्पॉट।
अभी हम गढ़ बैराट पर आ रखे हैं, तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारी औषधि भी मिल जाती है। जैसे चराइता हो गया, आपको हम अभी चराइता दिखाते हैं। जैसे ये पौधा है तो ये चराइता है, तो ये लगभग आपके 6,500 से 7,000 जो समुद्र तल से जो हमारी ऊंचाई होती है, फीट 7,000 फीट की ऊंचाई पर लगभग ज़्यादा मात्रा में मिल जाता है हमें।
After spending a wonderful day experiencing cave trek, Garvirat top, and hearing interesting mythological and local stories, now we are back to homestay where a wonderful cultural evening is waiting for us. We were greeted as per the local customs and traditions. Guests can spend their evening dancing and singing with local people here while enjoying some local wine and pure Garhwali dinner. This brings to the end of our Nagthad visit. See you again on the next journey of Villotel Diaries. Till then, goodbye and stay safe. And if you liked the video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.